On a warm afternoon, Buddha and his disciples walked along a dusty village road. The sun cast golden light on the fields, and a soft breeze carried the scent of blooming flowers. Suddenly, a man rushed toward Buddha. His face was red with anger, his fists clenched tight. You are a fraud," he shouted. His voice was loud, filled with hatred. But Buddha remained silent. His face was peaceful, his eyes soft. The angry man continued to yell, but Buddha did not react. His disciples watched, confused by their master's silence. After a long silence, Buddha spoke. His voice was gentle, like a flowing river. "If someone offers you a gift, but you do not accept it, then who does the gift belong to?" The man hesitated. He thought for a moment, then answered, "It still belongs to the giver." Buddha smiled softly. "Exactly. And so, your anger remains with you unless I choose to take it." The man's anger melted away, his eyes softened, his voice quiet. He bowed deeply. "I am sorry. I was blinded by my emotions." Buddha nodded, his face full of kindness. As the man walked away, Buddha turned to his disciples. Patience is the highest virtue. When we refuse to accept anger, we remain free from suffering. And so, Buddha's words remained in their hearts, a simple truth, a powerful lesson. The power of patience is the key to peace.